log into your Kickstarter account and navigate to our project page. Click the Manage Your Pledge button located near the top of the page. On the following page, click the Change Your Pledge button. On this page, you will see your current reward selection. Leave it as is and simply click Continue. Next, you can browse all available add-ons. To confirm you are on the right page, check the progress bar in the top left corner. It should show you are on the Add-ons step. Simply click Add next to the items you would like to include. Click Continue to review your new pledge total, which will now include the cost of your selected add-ons. Next, click Confirm Changes to finalize your updated pledge. And that's it. The changes are locked in and the pledge is officially set.